So here we got our tester. Right now it's on the moisture level. We're going to see how, so you can see how you have it up here. There's no moisture in the air, so it's on 0. Dry. Put it in the soil. Goes all the way up. It's going to go down as it's adjusting. It'll probably go to about 5. So that means our soil is good. It has enough moisture. It can get down to 1 or 0, but then you'd want to water it after that and not keep it too dry for too long. Anywhere between a 3 and a 5 is good. So we're about right at 5. Now we're going to switch it to our light level, the light meter. It's showing dark. Even though I have my light on my phone, it's not producing any ultraviolet rays, so it's still going to show as dark, which is okay because I have it in the garage right now because it's too cold outside. Now we're going to switch it to the pH level. The pH level is there at the bottom, so it's at alkaline 7, starting to go down, maybe between 7 and 8, or go up, which is perfect for our garden plants, our veggies and our ornamental plants. If it was, see, the acidic level is over here on the right, which is weird because the dry goes from 1 to 10 from left to right, and so does the dark. But for the alkaline, you have alkaline over here on the left, number 8 in the green, and then you have acidic over here to the right, 3.5 in the red. So we're at our pH level, it's right about 7. So that is actually perfect. If it was too acidic, we would actually have to add lime or baking soda. Lime is acidic, or lime is alkaline, which will bring it up if it was too acidic. But our soil is good. Most soil from stores won't be perfect, so you always gotta test it and see, what level you're at. Because healthy soil leads to healthy plants. Healthy plants leads to healthy plant fruit. And if you're going to be eating it, that leads to a healthy body. So healthy soil equals a healthy body and a healthy mind.